Hey y'all, Coach Leah here with Brazen Fitness, and I wanted to take a few of the movements that we've gone through this week and put them into a fun little workout for you to play with. What I want you to do is for your workout, you're gonna set a timer for 10 minutes, and we're gonna do as many rounds as possible in that 10 minutes of 8 push-ups, 10 squats, and 20 renegade rows. You're gonna follow all of that by 30 seconds of rest and repeat as often as you can throughout the whole 10 minutes. So for your setup, you're gonna choose an option for push-ups that might feel really easy at first, but over the course of 10 minutes, it's gonna end up being a lot of reps. So you might wanna set up a box or a bench to elevate. Remember, for your squats, today I'm just gonna do some air squats, but if you wanna hold a dumbbell or a kettlebell for goblet squats, go ahead and grab that. And last but not least, you'll need a set of dumbbells for your renegade rows. This is a lot of renegade rows, so make sure you get more of a moderate weight, something that you can use high reps and keep them as unbroken as possible. Okay, so I'm gonna take you through one round of the workout. We'll rest 30 seconds, and then you're gonna continue to go for the remainder of the 10 minutes. I've got my stopwatch ready. And when you're ready, we're gonna go ahead and get started with 8 push-ups. 3, 2, 1, and go. From your 8 push-ups, you're gonna stand and you've got 10 squats. If you wanna use dumbbells, great. If you wanna go unweighted, do them with me. All the way down, all the way up. That's 1, 2, 3. Breathing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And into our renegade rows. Okay, remember, you could go from the knees, elevate the knees, or a push-up position. 20 total. Here we go. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Don't forget to breathe. 14, 16, 18, 20. Resting 30 seconds. That took us about 90 seconds. So at about the 2-minute mark, you're gonna keep going into the next round, rest 30 seconds until your 10-minute clock gets 0.